Yesterday, it hit 31st degrees here in Tokyo, Japan. How about where you live? Today, our mission is try not to heat up the kitchen and use plenty of summer seasonal vegetables. I start meal prepping by washing vegetables, then chopping and stirring them. It helps me to remember what I have and use them up as opposed to being left in the fridge forever. Today I have 3 different kinds of mushrooms: shiitake mushrooms, shimeji mushrooms, and enoki mushrooms. For shimeji mushrooms and enoki mushrooms, just trim off the stem and tear by hand. For shiitake mushrooms, remove the tip of the stem and tear them by hand again. Tearing mushrooms by hand is actually really fun, so it's a great activity to do with your kids. Now most of the chopping is done. We begin by salmon, which takes longer to marinate. We only need 2 ingredients, which are salmon and SHIOKOJI. SHIOKOJI is the mixture of salt and rice koji being fermented. It helps to tenderize the salmon and gives a sweet, salty taste. It's perfect for bento box. I have a separate video on SHIOKOJI, so let me put the link in the description box. At the end of this video, I'll show you how to pan fry the perfect tender salmon, so stay tuned for that. This mushroom ponzu sauce itself is salty and savory, hence it's very versatile. In our membership called Ikigai Cooking Club, we cooked this together and tried repurposing into multiple dishes, such as topping on the rice, making a salad, etc. Enrollment is now closed, but feel free to put your name on the wait list. The link is in the description box. This one requires no heat. All you have to do is just microwave it for a couple of minutes. Yay! It's the best for summer. After microwaving it for 2 and 30 seconds, if the egg is still runny, do another 20 seconds until you reach scrambled egg-like consistency. Each microwave works differently, so use mine as a guideline and adjust it into your own way.
뭐? よかった. 어, 뭐하냐?
あ、すごいじゃん。全部好評じゃん。やったー。This cucumber is my viewer's favorite, so I'd love to introduce it to you again. Easy to make, great for snacking. It's just addictive. I really want you guys to try this. Almost all the recipes that I introduced in this video has a recipe on my website, so let me put the link in the description box below. And if you make any of the recipes, please tag me on Instagram at Miwa Japanese Cooking Class. It means a lot to me. Thank you in advance. This corn rice is my staple summer dish. My kids love corn and this is their absolute favorite. It's from my Japanese breakfast cookbook, so if you have one, please give it a try. I have so many memories of this pancake. I created this recipe when my kids were still 2 and 4 years old. I wanted to feed them something they could grab and eat. Plus, I wanted to add vegetable and protein because they were very picky back then. Fast forward 4 years later now, they eat almost everything which I've never thought they would. I appreciate it so much. Try not to mix too much to keep the air. Because of the tofu, the texture is not as fluffy as regular pancakes. It's rather bouncy and dense like mochi. It stays very moist even after it's cooled, so perfect for meal prepping. Now everything is ready to set. Let me show you how to cook salmon. SHIOKOJI tends to get burnt easily. I recommend removing it before you cook. I wanted the skin side down, but it kept slipping off. You wanted to keep it on low heat. As you gradually heat up the salmon, it will stay moist and tender.にしよう。いただきます。お願い。あれ、そう、待って、逆。あとほんと柔らかいの。すっごい柔らかいの。これ伝わるかな。食べる人。はーい。皮だけ食べないで。ちょっと。やだー。ちょっとやめてください。
柔らか。
本当に柔らかいでしょ。
あ、うまい。
美味しい？
うまい。
いい？おー、イエーイ。
なんかお豆腐あるはず。
そう、お豆腐とか入ってるよ。今日は全部美味しいと言っていただいた。やったー。